Hey everyone, Didiayer here, coming to you from Santa Monica, California, and I just made over this patio. It was a really easy DIY project that we did in about 5 hours. We took everything out, we painted the walls, and we added color and texture to the space. We put in this beautiful seat here, and also some wonderful curtains. You know, if you're looking for that indoor-outdoor feel, but want that light, curtains are a wonderful way to see outdoors, but allow the light to come in. And just to add that little extra something, we went ahead and hung some air plants. This brings a little bit more of nature into the space and a little bit more dimension between the curtains. Now, she needed some storage, but we wanted to make sure we had a nice place to display things. She loves plants and candles, so this hutch was a wonderful balance for the space. And add in color. And we did that through this inspiration piece. It has reds, it has teals and golds. So altogether, we created a really simple yet beautiful reading room that makes the homeowner feel like it's part of her home. If you're looking for more design tips, go to athomewithdidiayer.com. I'm Didiayer. Keep designing.